Every day, our actions impact the world around us. There's one thing that we can do, one simple yet one powerful thing: waste disposal. Waste disposal isn't just about cleaning your surroundings. It's about protecting your environment and ensuring a sustainable future. In this video, let's see a few steps that you can take to ensure proper waste disposal. Starting on with number 1, separate your waste. Organic waste like food scraps can be composted. Recyclables like paper, plastic, and glass should be sorted into their appropriate bins. Composting helps reduce the number of landfills on the earth, and it also helps us return the nutrients that we took from the earth. Also, recycling helps us reduce the pollution on earth. Number 2, understand what can be recycled. Not all paper, glass, and plastic products can be recycled in your community. It depends from area to area. So it's important to know your local guidelines for recycling so that we can give waste a second chance. Number 3, don't litter. Littering only contributes to the pollution on our planet. It can also harm our wildlife and resources. So every litter picked is one step closer to a cleaner and healthier earth. Number 4, get involved. Join or create community cleanup events. These small actions, when multiplied by millions, can have a huge impact on the world. So by taking these simple steps, we all can contribute towards a more sustainable, greener, healthier, and amazing planet. Let us all dispose of our waste properly and responsibly. So for now, this is me, Samyukta Vijay, signing off.